Understanding hotspot resets, soft versus hard. T-Mobile hotspot issues? A reset is often the answer. There are two main types, soft and hard. A soft reset is like restarting your computer. It clears temporary glitches without deleting data. Simply power off your hotspot, wait 30 to 60 seconds, and power it back on. For most models, like the Nighthawk RS700S, hold the power button for 10 seconds until it shuts down. A hard reset, also known as a factory reset, restores your device to its original settings, erasing custom configurations and Wi-Fi passwords. Access this through the device's web interface, usually 192.168.12.1, or a physical reset button. Only use a hard reset if a soft reset doesn't work, and remember to back up any important data first. Proper battery care can prevent the need for frequent resets on your T-Mobile hotspot. T-Mobile hotspots use lithium-ion batteries, which require proper care for optimal performance. To maximize battery life, fully charge your hotspot before first use. Avoid extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, as they can damage the battery. Use the official T-Mobile charger to prevent overcharging and ensure safe charging. Most importantly, enable battery saver modes within the T-Mobile app to limit background processes and extend battery life. Replacement batteries are available if needed, but good maintenance can significantly prolong your hotspot's lifespan.